Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about the pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. Pulmonary circulation carries deoxygenated blood away from the heart to the lungs and returns oxygenated blood back to the heart. So basically, if we are talking about the pulmonary circulation starts from right ventricle. It carries deoxygenated blood to lungs via pulmonary artery, and it carries oxygenated blood back to left auricle via pulmonary vein. So pulmonary circulation starts from right ventricle via pulmonary artery. It carries deoxygenated blood and give it to lungs. In lungs there is exchange of gases. It will give carbon dioxide and collect oxygen, and from there it will collect oxygenated blood through pulmonary vein and it enters into left auricle. We have one pulmonary artery on one side while two pulmonary veins enter on one side. So we have two pulmonary veins on right side and two pulmonary veins on left side. At the end of pulmonary artery, from where it starts in the right ventricle, here we have a valve, and this valve is called pulmonary semilunar valve. Pulmonary semilunar valve prevents the backflow of the blood from pulmonary artery to right ventricle. Similarly, we have systemic circulation. Before that, let's understand. This is our heart. This is the right atrium. This one is the left atrium. Wait. From right atrium, it starts flowing to right ventricle. Now from right ventricle, it goes to lungs. In lungs, this deoxygenated blood converted to oxygenated blood, it enter into left auricle. From left auricle, this blood will goes to left ventricle, and from left ventricle this blood goes to entire body. Okay, and from entire body it become deoxygenated, and after that, see, this become deoxygenated, and this deoxygenated blood enters back into right auricle. From right auricle it enters into right ventricle, and from right ventricle it goes on. So we can say that we have a double circulation, that blood enters into heart twice. Now few of the vein part is blue in color and the few of the part is red in color. Basically we do not have blue color blood, but it is a purplish in color. Just for the reference and for the convenience, we are showing it with blue color, and blue color shows oxygen poor or carbon dioxide rich blood, that is deoxygenated blood, while red color blood shows oxygen rich blood or carbon dioxide poor blood or oxygenated blood. Now let's have a look on this one, systemic circulation. Systemic circulation carries blood away from the heart to the body and returns deoxygenated blood back to heart. Look in the diagram. Systemic circulation will start from left ventricle. From left ventricle via aorta, it enters into the entire body. From the body, it becomes deoxygenated, or oxygen is used and carbon dioxide is produced. Deoxygenated blood enters into right auricle. This entire process is known as systemic circulation. So basically, if we compare the pulmonary and systemic circulation, look in this diagram. In pulmonary circulation, it starts from right ventricle. Pulmonary circulation starts from right ventricle. Systemic circulation starts from left ventricle. Pulmonary circulation carry deoxygenated blood. Systemic circulation carry oxygenated blood. Pulmonary circulation moves via pulmonary artery. Systemic circulation moves via aorta. Pulmonary circulation starts from right side of the heart. Systemic circulation starts from left side of the heart. Pulmonary circulation end at, देखिए, pulmonary circulation end at left auricle. It starts from right ventricle, goes to lungs, and from lungs oxygenated blood end into left auricle. So it starts from right ventricle and end at left auricle, while systemic circulation start with left ventricle, moves with the help of aorta, enter into the body and enter back into right auricle. So I hope pulmonary and systemic circulation is clear from this diagram. So what you have to do, you have to learn the difference between pulmonary and systemic circulation.